Hey everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about what exactly is a count plot. So count plot is basically used to display the number of occurrence of each category in a categorical variable. Let's say for example you have a text column and in that column you have a different categories and you want to analyze like how many times that categories are repeated. It's like visualizing distribution of a categories, like occurrence of categories. So it's like just visualizing how many times that particular category is repeated. So that's where we use a count plot. So before we plot a count plot using Seaborn, first let me load our data. Let me just click on files. Let me connect and let me just select a sales data. Let me just open. I'll say okay. Done. So let me import our libraries, import Pandas as PD for dealing with data frames, import matplotlib dot pyplot as PLT, and also let's import cbon as SNS. So then I'll be loading data. Data is equal to, I'll just call PD dot read underscore CSV. I'm using the same sales data, sales dot CSV. And then let me call data. Okay, so it should be small sales. S should be small letter. Yes. So this data is all about, Superstore sales data. You can see different columns you have. Yeah. So now let's see, for example, I just want to know like how many categories are there, and I want to find, the distribution of a categories. And similarly, you can also find distribution of a subcategory, distribution of a region. Okay. So what I'll do, let's try to plot. We'll find count of categories. First, we'll try count of categories. Then you can also try count of um, region. Similarly, you can also find count of subcategories as well. Okay, very simple. First, I'll set a figure size. So PLT dot, it should be figure of. Figure size is equal to, I'll say 4 comma 2. And then it should be SNS dot. So it should be count plot. Count plot, an interesting thing about this Seaborn is just first you have to pass your data. And then it requires only one categorical column so that you have to specify within your X1. Okay, and then I just want to display only the graph, no text. So we just use a PLT dot shoot. See, this is an interesting thing about finding count of categories. Simple, setting figure size, SNS dot count plot. First you will pass your data and then you will pass your category. It requires only one categorical column. See, it is giving you count of categories. According to this analysis, we see that, office supplies related information we have more than technology and then furniture. Now you might have a question like, is it giving a total count, sum of count, or is it giving, average count? So in that case, what you can do, you can verify it using group by. So let me call d of is equal to data dot group by, group it based on, let's say, category. And then we'll just use order ID. Or you can just use a category itself. Dot, you can see count. So it should not be sum, it should be count, right? So let me print and show you. Can you see? Clearly, it shows office supplies has got the highest count and technology has got a very less and furniture is the second highest. Same information you are getting. Okay, so by the way, whenever you use a count plot, it is calculating the count and it is plotting for you. So no need to go with a group by. Hope this is clear. So similarly, you can try with a region. A small change that you people have to make is what? And one interesting thing, did you notice in a Seaborn, did you notice the category and account, the x-axis and y-axis labels got automatically filled, right? So similarly, you can also give a title using plt.title and you can just say count of category. So you'll get a title. And if you want, you can also change color as well. So you can see color is equal to pink. You'll get a different colors. Hope it's clear. So same way you can try with region. So it's count of region in the place of category, just remove it and just replace it with a region. and you can just give a different colors. Same thing for subcategory. In the place of category, you just need to give subcategory and things will change. And let me change a color. So this should be region. Yes. See? Clearly, you can understand in this case, office supplies, the count is highest compared to furniture and technology. Technology has got the least. Among count of region, like we have more observations related to West region, that means more orders from West and less from South. And then coming to subcategories, you can see the overlapping, right? Overlapping of X labels. So in that case, you just need to use plt.xtext. Sorry. Use plt.xtext and you people have to just say rotation is equal to 90 degrees. So that, angle of rotation of that variable will change. Now you can clearly understand on this. So we have more observations related to binders, papers, and we have very less orders related to copiers, machines, and also bookcases. So this is all about a count plot, and this is how you write insights related to a graph. Hope it's clear. So thank you. Happy learning. In the next video, let's discuss about what exactly is a histogram.